Hi everybody. Hi everybody. This is Alex from Design and Build. Very exciting news. Welcome to my project. Hi everybody, this is Alex from Design and Build. We're doing a loft conversion, basement and an extension. We finally have the scaffolding completed. We have taken down the roof. Today we are doing the first pastons for the project. Concrete mixer is working at the back of me, nice and smooth. Have a look at the paston is being casted on site, very exciting. If you have a look, we have stripped out the whole house. A lot been going on since I last spoke to you. The roof is now gone, everything's happy. The second paston is being done on this other side, as you can see. Design and Build. We start rendering the walls now. Things are looking good. The new floor structure is about to come on. Doing a dry pack everywhere, as you can see.